Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly add makeup to your selfies within seconds on Wink. So in here I've already on the Wing app, so you can use this makeup feature to apply makeup to your selfies or maybe your videos. So let's just tap on makeup, and here I'm going to just use a photo. For example, in here I'm going to use this ones right here. Now tap on start. So in here you can use the makeup sets, but I'm going to select manually one by one. Start from the eyeshadow. In here you can just choose which one that you like for your photo. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and let's move on to the lipstick. In here I'm going to use this alluring. You can adjust the intensity, but I'm going to just make it natural, so I'm going to set the intensity not too big. Okay, let's go with 50. You can set the eyebrow styles in here. Okay, I'm going to use this golden one. You can adjust the intensity. Now let's add contour to the face. Okay, I'm going to use retro one. You can always adjust the intensity again. And let's add the eyes. Okay, I'm going to use this eye smiles and add the blush styles in here. Okay, I'm going to use this one, but lower the intensity to around 70. Okay, let's if you want to, you can also add some mole to your photo, but I'm not going to do that. And here lastly, you can also add freckles. Okay, I'm going to use this one and adjust the intensity to 100. So let's see the before, and this is the after. If you like it, you can just click on save and your selfies will become flawless. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.